Hi ESL2. This week we are going to start talking about inferences. Say that slowly. Inferences. Inferences. Now, big word, but it's an easy definition. An inference is a good guess or a prediction. Basically, when we read, we take what we know about something plus what we see or what we read, and we make a guess. So, to get started on this, we have some riddles. A riddle is a guessing game. So, to do this, I need you to go to Google Classroom and click on the link here. And that should take you to this page that says Inference Riddles. So what you'll do is you'll read the first clue. I begin in the morning. This is what we see. And I think, what do I know? What do I know that begins in the morning? School. School begins in the morning. So down here where it says make a guess, I'm going to type school and click check. Ooh, try another clue, then guess again. At sunrise. What begins at sunrise? Now maybe you don't know what sunrise means. That's okay. Get another clue. And last until sunset. Okay, if you know what this is, make another guess. If you don't, do another clue. Yester is always the one before. Yester what? Yesterday. Day, does that make sense? A day begins in the morning, at sunrise when the sun comes up, and lasts until sunset when the sun goes down. Yesterday is the day before. Okay, let's try that. Day. Yay! I am day. Okay, some of these riddles are easier and some are more difficult. So if you look at the directions, I want you to try numbers 2, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 11. If you answer all those and you want a harder one, try any of these. To skip riddles, here's what you do. You click on this box here by Go To and type in that riddle. Go to 5. All right, happy guessing!